began business in America in 1959. It was Honda's first subsidiary outside Japan. With a line of fun, efficient, and easy-to-ride motorcycles, Honda changed the image of motorcycles and quickly became America's top-selling motorcycle company. The success led Honda to begin automobile sales a decade later. And with Americans concerned about gas shortages and clean air, Honda's small but spacious, fuel-efficient, and low-emission cars further advanced the company's reputation as an innovator. Today, through continued investment and growth, Honda has become part of the fabric of America, with operations that develop, manufacture, and market products across the region, and a network of independent dealers to sell and service them, including automobiles, power sports products, power equipment, and now an advanced light jet. All told, Honda has invested more than $22 billion in America in the operations that build, develop, sell, and service these products, with direct employment of about 30,000 associates. Based on a commitment to build products close to its customers, Honda established its first local production operation in Ohio in 1979 and began building cars here in 1982, making Honda the first Japanese automaker to build cars in America. Today, the company has 18 plants across North America, building ATVs and side-by-sides, lawnmowers, generators, and other power equipment, Honda and Acura automobiles and light trucks, and the engines and transmissions that power them, and now the Honda Jet and the turbofan engine that powers it. Honda also has major R&D operations in America with the capacity to design, develop, and engineer complete products, including autos, power sports, and power equipment. All this work takes place in Honda's unique facilities in America that play a leading role in the advancement of cutting-edge safety, driver-assistive, and environmental technologies. Key to Honda's success in America is a focus on taking care of customers, working closely with thousands of dealers who represent the Honda and Acura brands in communities across America. Supported by Honda parts and service operations, including major parts centers across the country that help Honda and its dealers meet the service needs of customers. It's part of the unique spirit of Honda that leads it to pursue the pinnacle in racing competition, including Formula One, MotoGP, and IndyCar racing, while also applying that racing spirit to environmental issues to take leadership in the area of environmental technologies, such as fuel cell, plug-in, and hybrid vehicles. Honda is also committed to making positive contributions to the communities where it does business, including socially responsible and sustainable business practices, the promotion of diversity in our workforce, support of organizations that advance education and serve youth, and by encouraging and supporting the volunteer efforts of Honda associates. Based on the belief of Honda's founder, Soichiro Honda, that the purpose of technology is to help people, Honda continues to pursue a wide range of technologies and products to advance the joy and freedom of mobility and a sustainable society where people can enjoy life. In this way, Honda will continue working to meet the needs of its customers and society as it strives to be a company that society wants to exist.